Hey guys, welcome to my second Python tutorial class. In this video, we'll be talking about Python variables and data type. Python variables are containers that store data values, and each variable has a specific data type that defines the kind of value it holds. So now let's give an example of a variable. Let's give a name, the variable, and it stores a value. Let's give it Python. In Python, we use a double quote or a single quote. It's either you use a double quote or use a single quote. It works. So let's print the name. The name is a variable. So we have the output Python. So I'm walking you through the basic data type, which is the int, float, the float, the string, and the boolean, the shortened bool. So now let's give an example of int. It's an integer. Just a whole number, just as a normal basic mathematics. So let's give age is equal to 25. It's an integer. Let's print age. No, we print 25. Let's print age. The 25 is stored in the age. Print age. We have 25. Now with that, it's giving us without a decimal point. Now let's use float. Let's use float. This is a float. Height 5.9. Okay. Print height. Now this is a float and storing string variables. Let's say Python. Then we have the name, the output as Python. That's a string. When we talk about Boolean, Boolean is represented in one of two values. Is either true or false. Okay, let's try it out. Is active. Let's say maybe a user is active is equals to true. We use it, we can print is active. True. And we can also use this for is active equals to false. This is how we use Boolean in Python. We use Boolean in Python. This is how we use Boolean in Python. False. Now, these are the basic data types. When we talk about the sequence data types, which we have the list, the tuple, and the range. Yeah, the sequence data type, we have the list and as well the range. Yeah. So let's give an example of the sequence data types. List is ordered and mutable collection of items and can contain mixed data types. So let's give a color, red, green, blue. So now we can print out the colors, which we have the red, the green, and the blue. So this is a list. And now let's go to tuple. Tuple. Let's give a coordinate, a tuple. Let's give a coordinate. This is a tuple. Let's give a coordinate of 10 of 20. Coordinates. Coordinates. So we have the tuple, and we also have range. So it's also part of the sequence data type. So let's say we have a number and we want to get the range. A number equals to range of 10. Yeah, a range of 10. Print number. So we have the range from 0 to 10. In Python, we have for loops that we can use to iterate, but I'll make a video on that later. So also we have a mapping data type. A mapping data type is where we have a dictionary, we have a set, um, we have a dictionary as a set and a frozen set. Yeah, we have a frozen set as well. So let's make use of the dictionary. The dictionary is a collection as well. Let's give it a name. The dictionary contains a variable and a value. So the key will be let's give it a name, Alice. Alice age. Alice is 25 year. Yeah. So let's do the dictionary. Let's print out the function. Dict name Alice age 25. So this is how we store dictionary and as well as set. The set is a collection of a well-defined object. So when we talk about a set, we can only have a unique item in a set. So let's say we have unique numbers, unique numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Print unique number. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's try something else. Um, let's say we have a set of 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say the output, print set. Let's say the output. You can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because in a set, we only have a unique values. So you only get one out of the two. So that is what we can see. And we also have the non-type data type as well. The non-type data type, when we have the results, let's have a result is equal to none. So this is a non-value. It represents the absence of a value, or we can also call it a non-value. So in this video, this will be the end of the video for variables and data type. And thank you for watching. And in my next video, I will explain more on how we can use the variables and data type and as well manipulate the data types. And thank you.